Go home happy with the 2012 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, rear AC, power driver seat, third row seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Powerful, agile cargo hauler meets safe, comfortable family oasis. Drive the Honda Odyssey.